Hello and welcome again to another great Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin. And today we are going to do basic counting and numbers. Gutara na demoa. That is to say, counting and numbers. Welcome. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, share with friends, comment, and make sure that you reach to me if you have any questions or any clarifications. So we are going first to count with the basic numbers, that is 1 through 10. Gutara, that is counting in Kikuyu. Demoa is numbers. 1 is imwe, imwe, imwe. 2 is igere, igere. 3 is idato. 4 is inya. 5 is idano. And we have this being the first 5 numbers, and they are not that difficult. They are not that difficult. You can always try and pronounce them by using the basic lessons that we have had from the beginning. Yeah, they are not that difficult. So we have said 1 is imwe, 2 is igere, 3 is idato, 4 is inya, 5 is idano. And now let's continue to number 6. 6 is ida, the, to, ida, the, to. 7 is mo, gwa, ja, mo, gwa, ja. 8 is inya, nya, inya, nya. 9 is keda, 9 is keda. 10 is ikomi, ikomi. Yeah, you can hear that. Some of them looks to be somehow long, but not that difficult. So let's continue. 100 is igana, igana. 1,000 is giri, giri, giri. 1,000,000 is milioni, billion, billioni. Just like that. So let's go to the next, which is very important. It's very important to know the groups that we have, so that you can be able to now create numbers greater than 10, which is not equal to 100, which is not equal to 1,000, which is not equal to 1,000,000, and which is not equal to 1,000,000,000. So you can see this word mirogo. Mirogo stands for tens. Okay, a group of tens. For instance, in 20 we have 2 tens. Magana is the Kikuyu name for hundreds. Okay, so this is how we make the words. For instance, this is 20. How many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. So it is mirogo ere. Ere is 2. Okay, this is just a variation of igere, igere. Then we have 30. 30 is mirogo itato. That is to say 3 tens. Okay, we have 40, which is mirogo ena. Ena is 4. Okay, ena is 4. Itato is 3. Then we have itano, 5. Itadato, 6. Mugwaja, 7. Enana, 8. like that. So we have 50 as mirongo itano. Then we have 60 as mirongo itandatu. Mirongo itandatu 7. Mirongo mugwanja 80. Mirongo inana 90. Mirongo kenda. Good. That's how you make numbers greater than 10. Okay? Yeah. It is mirongo. If it is ones, is ikomi. For instance, 11 will be ikomi na emwe. 12 will be ikomi na igere. That is 10 and 1 ikomi na emwe. 10 and 2 ikomi na igere. 10 and 3 ikomi na ithatu. 10 and 4 ikomi na inya. 10 and 5, that is 15, ikomi na ithano. 10 and 6 ikomi na ithathatu. 10 and 7 ikomi na mugwanja. 10 and 8 ikomi na inyanya. 10 and 9 ikomi na kenda. So 19 is ikomi na kenda. 18 is ikomi na inyanya. 17 is ikomi na mugwanja. 16 is ikomi na ithathatu. 15 is ikomi na mugwanja. And like that. Ikomi na. Okay, good. That's how we do numbers from 11 to 19. Then let's just go to this other number here. This is 200. 200. And we said that hundreds in Kikuyu is magana. So this is read as magana mele. Magana mele. 200. Simple. 300 will be magana matatu. 400. Magana mana. 500 will be magana matano. Magana matandatu. Magana mugwanja. Magana manana. Magana kenda. And then we go to giri. Giri na emwe. Giri na igere. Okay, 1001 is giri na emwe. 1002 is giri na igere. 1200 will be giri na magana mere. Good, you see how we are combining them? Don't worry, we'll be coming back to this lesson from time to time. And today we have some extras here. To this point, it is important to note how Kikuyu words takes noun classes. For instance, we said that two is equivalent to igere, but becomes mere when placed before the hadreds, that is magana. More examples as below. Ado, ere. Noun classes for you who have learned Swahili is what we call geri. Okay, is what we call geri. Geri ya awa, geri ya kivi, geri ya yes. Those are what we call noun classes. And noun classes will determine how these numbers will be written. For instance, when we are talking about people, ado ere, that is two people. If we are talking about Shiana, that is children. Shiana igere. Okay. The next one is Gali igere, two cars. Mahebe mere. You can see how simple the Kikuyu noun classes are. Let's go to the next. Kikuyu has many noun classes that we'll be learning as we progress from the basics. For each adjective or adverb, try your best to check the root of each. This will save you from feeling that the adjectives and adverbs are changing, because at most times the root of the word rarely changes, and if it does, it still have similarity to the original. For example, 3 can be either to, matatu, or atatu. Okay? As per the noun class context where it is used. Do you see and hear something similar in word and sound? For instance, when I say either to, matatu, atatu, do you hear something similar? That should remind you that we are still talking about 3. For 4, we can have inya, inya, inya. Oh, it doesn't change. But we can also have mana. Okay, matano. What is matano? You remember idano, matano, idano, matano. We are still talking about 5. Let's go to something else here. Yeah, so today I want to give you this takeaway. I hope that you are going to do your work with the help of your parent or anybody else who take care of you. I'm assuming I'm teaching to kids, but I'm also teaching those who are grown-ups. Whoever speaks Kikuyu around you, I want to give you this assignment. Try and create as many variations for number 1 through 9. Create as many variations as possible and practice reading them aloud. For example, imwe can be equivalent to omwe, imwe, ed, remwe. So I hope that you do your practice, and thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you. For any question, you can call me on that number or WhatsApp me on that number. That is +254 718 317 877, or email me at martinkalari@gmail.com. May God bless you. See you in the next, and keep practicing. Comment, share, like, and do what? Click that notification bell so that you always be the first one to be notified when I post new videos. Bye.